Hello everyone. This video is gonna be called the snowstorm, and I just made it rain. Ignore that it's going in a bit. I'm just gonna move it a little bit. Okay. The clouds didn't even move. Oh, yeah, they. Okay. Much better. And that's the video. Okay, let's get started. Why do I see a flood outside? It's raining. Oh my. I have to wear something warmer. This won't keep me warm. It's like freezing. Okay, let me get like one of my strongest hoodies. I swear I just saw it. Oh. Okay, this is one of my strongest hoodies. It keeps me warm in any of the weathers. But like seriously, it's so cold, and that sweater is really ugly, but like, who cares? It's cold. You know what? I'm just gonna wear this. I know it's shorts, guys, but it's cold, okay? It's cold. What happened to the neck? It's like freezing cold. And it's like, how many degrees is it? -3? Oh, heck to the no. I'm getting my sleeping bag. Guys, I'm sorry that I don't have a sleeping bag. I'm gonna go get one right now. You could get the sleeper bag from the camper van. Okay, much better. But it's like still really cold. I don't know how I'm gonna walk in this. I still have little feet to walk. You know what? That's it. I don't need this. It's not really that cold. My cats need it more. Okay, dog, stay there. And cat, get on there and yeah. Okay. Mom, it's freezing. Okay, guys. Sorry about the Texas, okay? That's my mom that's telling. Okay, it's just my homework assignments. Mom, it's freezing. Oh my god, the hat doesn't fit her huge head. Okay, let me just get another hat. Guys, I'm sorry I didn't include the music like last time, because this one is not really common, and I forgot which person made this, but I give credits to both of the people that made it, Toka Tay and Toka Alice. Okay, almost done getting it. Okay, face mask. Mom, no one told me it's freezing cold. Mom, the elevator closed. Yes, honey? What's going on? It's like freezing. I agree, I should wear a sweater. Okay, guys, I know I used it from the same pack, but don't think that's weird, okay? I'm just gonna get out of the closet. How about the mom? I don't know. I don't know what should the mom wear. Okay, the kid is gonna wear this, and the mom is gonna wear that. Much better. Okay, honey, it's now nice and warm. Did you check on the twins? No, but like I got some hot chocolate. Okay, you can finish your skincare. It's already done. I'm just putting it away. Oh, okay. Could you like wake up the baby? We need to go somewhere. Are you sure? And guys, OMG. OMG. I just forgot. I have a baby shower tomorrow. Guys, I might post 2 role plays today, okay? One, the snowstorm, and the second one, the baby shower. Because actually, tomorrow I have a baby shower to one of my cousins. Okay, you just walk the baby to sleep. I'll get the twins. Wait, this is gonna be a loud part. So if you're mute your Alexa if it's there, because I don't personally have an Alexa. So if you have an Alexa, just like do it somewhere that I can't hear. Alexa, tell the kids to come downstairs. I mean, on the second floor. Got it. They will be coming in no time, really fast. Alexa, I have a question. What is it? You sound like a possessed demon. What happened to you? You used to be like sunshine, lolly. Yes, Mom? It's like freezing cold. Oh, my poor babies. You must be like so cold. I'm worried for you. Yeah. Okay, let me get you good clothes. Good clothes. Excellent clothes. God, I did not say that. Guys, believe me, I did not say ooh. Okay. Stop worrying that much, okay? What happened? Oh. Okay, Mom, it's better now, but I am worried for the baby. Guys, my mom keeps texting me news. I have no school next week. This is the best. Yay! Okay, let's get to start. Okay, let me get the sleeping bag from your room. Sorry. Hey! Boy. Just gotta close these doors for the aesthetic. Okay, I got the sleeping bag for the baby. How do we make the baby? It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, she's nice and warm now, but I have to feed her milk. Okay, take off your passy. You could also get these pacifiers from the Little Paws pack. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna walk her to bed on this thing. Guys, pretend that she's walking her to bed. I mean, like, feeding her to bed. Okay, let me feed her. Pretend she's asleep. Okay, twins, are you cold? Yeah, we're barefoot. Okay, and... Okay, let me carry you guys. How about me? You're a strong boy. You can do it all yourself. Okay, you guys go in my room. I know it's not that cold in here because there's a fireplace, of course. But there's like, it's raining. I'm just gonna get a bucket. Okay, let's go. Not that bucket. I'm just gonna like fill up the place with buckets. The rain been coming inside because like it's an open door that they can't close anytime. Okay, finally I get away from... Yes, I like my son like that. Yeah. And guys, I'm curious, do you have school next week? Okay, there's water there. Do not slip. There's like water pouring. Oh yeah, well, some is dripping on my head. Okay. Sissy, why do you have buckets? Isn't this like $1,000 house? I know, it's because I have an open thing. I can't close the door. My mirror! Flexes. Okay, can we play with the slime? No, I got that when I was 3 years old. It's very disgusting and moldy. Can you do my skincare? Okay, I'm gonna give you one of my natural products. Okay, take this. If it's a slimy. Bleh. Ew, okay, ew. Actually, don't do that again. Okay. Okay, just watch my computer, okay? Guys, Fortune's the best. Kayla's is the best. Could you guys be quiet? I'm talking to my ex. What does X mean? Shh. Okay, guys, I know I wasn't prepared, okay? Just gonna get... Okay, gonna just... Okay, I'm just gonna throw it in there. Yeah, make it look like cups. Okay. Hi, bestie. OMG, hi. Like, it's like a bad rainstorm. Are you outside right now? No, I'm not. And, actually, I'm drinking hot cocoa. Looky, we ran out today. Oh. You could come to our house, but, like, I'm not sure if your mom will say. She said I could go on a, play date today. Cool, could you come? Of course, bestie. Yeah. Yes. Pause 28. Pause 28. Okay, bestie, I'll be here in 5 seconds. Beep, 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 beep. Did you just say 5 seconds? Well, more the merrier. Guys, okay. Guys, I do not have credits to Claire. I'm very sorry, Claire. But I needed you for one of my videos if you're watching this, okay? Don't come chasing me. She's not basically Claire, she has a molder. Okay, Claire, I'm sorry, I did not get credits. I forgot to ask you for credits. And credits to Claire because I'm doing with her. How you get here so fast? Bam! Bam! What is this? Don't budge! Bam! Oh my god, okay, just... Hi, bestie! Hi! Fortune's the best! Gotta be quiet. Sorry about that. It's okay. Can I have a sip of hot chocolate? And I'm like, so can we trade clothes? You're always here to trade clothes, and of course. Yay! And this was mine. I left it here when I was like 1 year ago. Oh, okay, so you could have it forever, but that might do. Okay, which every time you come. Okay. Okay, and why did the leaves disappear? Much better. OMG, like, he's so bad for doing that. Fortune's the best. Fortune's the best. I'm just gonna change it to nighttime. I'm sorry if you can't see. Wait, let me turn up my brightness. Hope you can see better. Yeah, I hope you do. Okay. Bam! Bam! All lights go beep. Well, the fireplace stays on. But then it's like an electric fire. Bing! Did the lights just go out? Girly pop! We're not safe! Fortune turned off! Who cares about Fortune? Throws iPad. Fortune is nobody! He's a famous YouTuber! Okay, go sit there. Okay, just sit down. That's the main thing you gotta focus on. Sit down and don't panic. If you do, things will become worse. Okay. Okay, guys, just sit there. That's my babysitter. Let me just drink my hot cocoa. Very good. Get to the point. The lights turned off and there's no vision. I can't even see you. Let's hug. Wee! Go to sleep. Okay, the lights just turned off. Did the lights just turn off? Oh my god. Guys, it's already been 15 minutes. Okay, I'm almost done with the role play, okay? Oh my god. What happened? The lights turned off. Okay, first of all, do not panic. What are you doing? We are hugging because we're scared. The lights start flickering. Water starts filling the basket. We're getting wet. You're getting wet. Oh my god. Okay, just... Guys, I have to just end it and make it very simple, okay? The lights turned on! Yay! And that's the end of the roleplay. I did not really know how to end the roleplay. It was like so confusing because I have to get ready for the baby shower tomorrow. I have to like sort out my skincare. I have to put on my Sol de Janeiro lip balm, and that's about it. Okay, and maybe do my eyelashes. And okay, bye.